How to recover Fantasy Premier League account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Now search for Fantasy Premier League. Now open this very first website option, Fantasy Premier League. Scroll down. Over here you can find this section for typing in your email address and password. As you have forgotten your password, click on this option of forget your password. Now over here you have to type in the email address that is associated with your Fantasy Premier League account. After you enter it, click on this option of reset my password. Now you will be receiving mail from Fantasy Premier League to recover your password. So you can open up your mail and check it out. You can see that I have received mail from Premier League. You will also receive similar mail from Premier League. All you have to do is open it. Just scroll down, you will see this option of change password. Click on it. Now here you have to type in new password for your account. Make sure your password includes 8 characters, mix of uppercase and lowercase characters, at least one number and at least one special character. After you are done with generating password for your account, click on this option of change password. Password reset complete. So this is how you can easily recover your Fantasy Premier League account. Now you can easily type in the password and log into your account. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.